In this video, we will be introducing the microscope. A microscope is used to look at objects, like cells that are too small to see with the naked eye. They magnify the objects to make them look bigger, so we can see and observe them. The microscope has many different parts. This slide covers each of them. The stage is where the slide is placed. The eyepiece is where you view what it is you want to make bigger. The coarse adjustment knob moves the stage up and down. The fine adjustment knob adjusts the focus of the lenses. The light and mirror allow us to see the object on the stage. The objective lenses contain different levels of magnification. The handle is where you hold and carry the microscope. Always carry the microscope by the handle. Now we will look at how to use a light microscope. Turn the light of the microscope on. Clip the slide onto the stage. The slide should have what you're wanting to look at on it. Choose the lens with the lowest magnification level. Look through the eyepiece. Using the coarse adjustment knob, move the stage up or down until you can see the object. Use the fine adjustment knob to tune the focus of the lens until you can see the image clearly. You can switch the lenses should you require more magnification and repeat the above steps to refocus the image.